Global Summit 2025 is happening in Telangana. We are making a regional basket, all the Telangana culinary heritage into one basket and giving to the delegates to taste our culinary heritage and remember them and talk about when they go back to the country.
Different dishes represent different parts of our state.
So the idea is to promote all these local delicacies. We have selected dishes from different parts of Telangana which will show the culture of the state and also the geography of the state.
Ippa Puvvu Laddu, made by tribal women from the roots of Adilabad using mahua flowers sourced straight from the forests. Badam ki jali, a unique sweet that originated in Hyderabad and has been preserved by the Hussain family for 4 generations. Sakinalu and Apalu, festival snacks mostly made during Makar Sankranti, enjoyed across the state. Makka Pelalu, a traditional snack from Reddy, made from locally grown corn and carrying the pride of their seasonal traditions.
Telangana has many other dishes by preserving age-old recipes, so all this is part of the history and culture.
Different regions, different foods, all carrying the same heritage and history of Telangana.
They need to be supported, they need to be promoted, they need to be preserved and conserved also.
As we celebrate our culinary heritage, we wish the Global Summit 2025 great success in shaping a brighter future for Telangana.